Right, so Chinese stir fry. Let's do this. So we will need some chicken, sprouts, bean sprouts to be precise, peppers, spring onion, red onion, 2 packs of ready to wok noodles, 3 packets of chow mein sauce, and if you like me, some chilies. And garlic, don't forget the garlic. Right, time to prep. First thing, chicken. I'll trim all these little bits of extra fat off. Don't want any of these little weird gristly bits here. Horrible, no one wants any of that. Right, so that's the chicken prepped. Now, finish doing raw meat, wash your hands, wash your cutlery, wash your chopping board. Next up, your peppers, simple fingers, push the middle in, rip it straight out. Try and get them seeds out, as many that you can, because you don't really want them. And then tear it open and cut it into nice thin strips. Time for the onions. No crying, everyone. Garlic. We like garlic in this house, so I'm going to go with four average size cloves. So garlic, always crush your garlic, get your knife on, bam. Why do we crush it? To release those oils, that's what we want, them beautiful oils to be everywhere. And then what I do is I just go with the nice chop 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 motion. We're going to continue on doing this until we get it lovely and small and tiny. And last but definitely not least, some spring onion. And some chilli is obviously optional. I'll be the only one having this, but it's not a hot chilli, it's just a warm and fruity from Asda, warm and fruity red chilies. Putting these into my own at the very end. Look, I'll try a piece, let's try a piece. So yeah, it reminds you very much of a pepper, funnily enough. Until it's ripped back up front. Right, so now we're all prepped. We've got our chicken, we've got our onions, we've got our peppers, we've got our garlic, we've got our green sprouts, obviously that don't need prepping, and we've got our spring onion and the optional chilies, obviously. So pan on a very high heat, get some oil in there, just a couple of tablespoons, don't want much. Make sure that's absolutely roasting, which the pan is. So yeah, make sure you use a wooden spoon. Don't want to be using no metal on your non-stick pan because you won't be very happy when it's all ruined. So get that chicken in. I can go into the sink now. Hello little man. Let's get all this. Get that coated in the oil. And let's get this all nice and done. Once you're happy that your chicken's fully cooked, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this out of the pan, get rid of all the oil. If you need a refreshment, definitely get one of them. Nice AU glass, if you've got one. My choice today is Dr. Pepper. Pan back onto a nice high heat. Bit of oil again, tablespoon or 2. That's nice and hot. Lovely jubbly. In with the garlic. In with the onion. Yes, I know it's a lot of onion, but that's how we roll. That is how we roll. But now you can see the onions are all sweated down just about, and they're all wilting and going brown. So now we're going to add in the peppers. Right, so these are getting soft now, so back in with the chicken. So that goes down. Green sprouts, we're going for quite a few of these, we do like that crumb. That's it, get them in. I'll put it, might as well go with bag. Then, like noodles, egg noodles, fresh that I've gone for. Right, let's get these sauces in. This is actually a different sauce. I've never actually used this sauce, so I haven't sort of given it a whirl. We normally use the blue dragon sauce, but there wasn't any, so we had to go with Asda's own. Give it a little try. Let's see what it's saying. The noodles, see if the noodles are cooked. Needs warming up a bit more. Yeah, there's lovely, but it's not hot enough. Right, last minute, getting spring onions in. And obviously, if you're like me, you're gonna get your chilies on there to bring it to life. Yeah. So let's give this a whirl. See what this new sauce is actually saying properly. Get some chilli on this bite as well. Get some chilli. Where's my chilli? There we go. It's alright, but obviously the Blue Dragon, way better brand. But for me the chilli brings it to life. That's it guys, until next time, for the next one, stay safe, peace and respect.